Embarking on the carnivore diet, a nutritional approach centered solely on animal products has gained traction among health enthusiasts seeking simplicity and potential benefits. However, amidst the allure of improved health and weight management lie pitfalls that can derail even the most committed individuals. In this video, we delve into 3 common mistakes that could sabotage your carnivore journey. By understanding these pitfalls and implementing practical solutions, you can navigate the carnivore lifestyle with confidence, maximizing its potential benefits while sidestepping the setbacks that may otherwise hinder your progress. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Mistake number 1, inadequate nutrient intake. One of the most common traps people fall into when starting the carnivore diet is not getting enough essential nutrients. Sure, meat is the star of the show, but just sticking to steaks and burgers might leave you missing out on some vital stuff your body needs to thrive. Think of it this way. Your body is like a complex machine, and it needs a variety of fuels to keep running smoothly. When you limit yourself to just a few types of meat, you're essentially depriving your body of the diverse array of vitamins and minerals it craves to function at its best. Muscle meats like beef and chicken breasts are great sources of protein, but they're not the whole story. To truly nourish your body, you need to embrace the whole animal, including its organs. Yes, it might sound a bit adventurous, but organs like liver, heart, and kidney are packed with nutrients that your body can't easily get elsewhere. These organs are like nature's little multivitamins, boasting high levels of essential nutrients like vitamin A, B vitamins, iron, and zinc. They're crucial for everything from keeping your immune system strong to helping your body produce energy efficiently. But fear not. If the thought of chowing down on liver doesn't exactly thrill you, there are alternatives. High-quality supplements can help fill in the gaps in your nutrition, ensuring you're getting everything your body needs to thrive on the carnivore diet. So don't sell your body short by skimping on the good stuff. Embrace the full spectrum of animal-based foods, from muscle meats to organ meats, and consider adding supplements to your routine if needed. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll be better equipped to reap the rewards of the carnivore lifestyle. Mistake number 2, ignoring digestive health. Transitioning to the carnivore diet can sometimes feel like a roller coaster ride for your digestive system. Suddenly cutting out plant-based foods, which are typically rich in fiber, can leave your gut feeling a bit out of sorts as it adjusts to the new normal. During this adaptation phase, it's not uncommon to experience digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, or changes in bowel habits. This can be a major roadblock on your carnivore journey if not addressed properly. One key solution is to take things slow. Rather than diving headfirst into an all-meat diet, consider easing your way in. Start by gradually reducing the amount of plant-based foods you consume while increasing your intake of animal products. This gradual transition gives your gut time to adapt, minimizing the shock to your digestive system. Additionally, paying attention to how your body reacts to different types of meat can be incredibly helpful. While some people may thrive on beef and chicken, others might find that they tolerate pork or fish better. Listening to your body and making adjustments accordingly can help alleviate digestive discomfort and set you up for success on the carnivore diet. Another important aspect of digestive health on the carnivore diet is the role of gut bacteria. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall health. As you shift to a meat-heavy diet, the composition of your gut microbiome may change, which can impact your digestive function. To support your gut health, consider incorporating fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, or kefir into your diet. These foods are rich in beneficial bacteria that can help maintain a healthy balance in your gut microbiome. If you're still experiencing digestive issues despite these efforts, it might be worth considering adding digestive enzymes or probiotic supplements to your routine. These can help support digestion and promote a healthy gut environment, making it easier for your body to process and absorb the nutrients from your food. By prioritizing digestive health and taking steps to support your gut microbiome, you can overcome this common obstacle and thrive on the carnivore diet. Mistake number 3, overlooking hydration and electrolytes. When diving into the carnivore diet, it's easy to get so caught up in the excitement of all the delicious meat that you forget about something equally important: staying hydrated and maintaining electrolyte balance. Believe it or not, a meat-heavy diet can actually increase your risk of dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. Why? Well, for starters, protein is a diuretic, meaning it can make you pee more and potentially lead to fluid loss if you're not careful. Combine that with the fact that many animal products are naturally low in sodium, potassium, and magnesium, 3 key electrolytes, and you've got a recipe for trouble. But fear not, because there are plenty of simple strategies you can use to ensure you're staying properly hydrated and keeping your electrolytes in check on the carnivore diet. First and foremost, pay attention to your thirst cues. Your body is pretty good at letting you know when it needs more fluids, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you're feeling thirsty or if you've been sweating a lot. In addition to water, consider incorporating electrolyte-rich beverages like bone broth or electrolyte-enhanced water into your routine. These can help replenish the electrolytes lost through sweat and urine, keeping your body in balance and preventing dehydration. Another option is to focus on including electrolyte-rich foods in your diet. Salty snacks like beef jerky or pork rinds can be great sources of sodium, while foods like avocados and spinach are packed with potassium and magnesium. If you're still struggling to maintain proper hydration and electrolyte balance, you might want to consider adding electrolyte supplements to your routine. These come in various forms, including powders, tablets, and liquid drops, and can be easily added to water or other beverages to help boost your electrolyte intake. By paying attention to your hydration status and making sure you're getting enough electrolytes, you can avoid the pitfalls of dehydration and electrolyte imbalances on the carnivore diet, allowing you to feel your best and thrive on this meat-centric way of eating. In conclusion, in navigating the carnivore diet, avoiding common pitfalls is key to success. By addressing the top mistakes, inadequate nutrient intake, ignoring digestive health, and overlooking hydration and electrolytes, you can unlock the full potential of this dietary approach. Take charge of your carnivore journey by embracing nutrient-rich foods, supporting digestive health, and prioritizing hydration. With these strategies in hand, you'll not only overcome obstacles, but also thrive on the carnivore lifestyle. So, seize the opportunity to optimize your health and well-being. Start implementing these solutions today.